Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I will just get to it. Again, thank you so much for joining us, and if there's any terms that I'm going to use, please let me know if you don't know what I'm going to be talking about, or what it means, I should say. So for all three, I have utilised good speed, geometric and observational methods. Please let me know if you're stuck with anything that I'm talking about, or if you want to know any other details, or simply where I get these reference photos from. So for the first sketch, it took me 3 minutes 2 minutes, 3 minutes 20 seconds. This one actually took 2.5 minutes, and the third one took 3 minutes. And for those who are new, last week and the previous 2 weeks, I was taking 4 minutes per sketch and then a minute for the quick analysis. Whereas this week, I'm trying to keep it to at least 3 minutes, to the maximum 3 minutes, hopefully trying to get down to 2.5 minutes by next week. So yeah, my speed is dramatically increasing, as well as the proportion ratios and everything like that. There are going to be times where I have a mistake, like the eye was initially proportioned wrong, and I had to bring it down slightly so that it was actually in line with the other eye. So this is where I give myself some feedback and analyse how my sketches are coming along, and that is also how I am improving very quickly. So as I said, the left eye was initially proportioned wrong, so I rectified it before the time was out. The second one, I actually started off with drawing the features, and then I put the head around it. I just wanted to see if that actually worked for that one, and I think it did somewhat. It didn't capture the actual the likeness of the original reference photo, but it's still reasonably good. And the third one is actually more like the original photo, I should say. And I'm actually quite happy with how it's turned out. She was pulling that pose at the moment with the pouty lips, so hence why she looks like that. That's how she was actually posing. And the hair was cut off in the photo. It was literally just around the face. So I just need to keep going and need to keep pushing through, getting the proportions correct, getting the speed down as well, and obviously get the foundations of good fundamentals of art, which is for proportions, ratios, structure and layout, because at the end of the day, if you don't have a good structure, how are you going to have a good art piece at the end? So yeah, let me know what you think, what you would use, if you are actually getting more information from these videos. That'd be awesome. Please contact me, and I shall see you next time. Bye.